Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a comparison video of the Hart 2-in-1 staple and brad nail gun and the Arrow 2-in-1 staple and brad nail gun. I'm here to explain the difference between the two, and you can pick and choose which one you want to buy. First, we're going to start out with the Hart 2-in-1 staple and brad nail gun. This is the Hart 2-in-1 staple and brad nail gun. This is what it look like. It's a plain staple, look like a plain staple machine. But you can open it this way. This is how you open it right here. You open it and you put your staples. You put your staples and brad nails in here. And they have a window right here and an exit for the come out of it. They got a window right here where you can see how many staples and brad nails you had left in there. And then you just close it like this. And that's it for this one. That's just plain, simple staple gun. Okay, this is the Arrow. And the difference between these two is this one have a plug. You got to plug this one up. The other one you don't have to plug up. But this one you have to plug up. This is where you squeeze it in for your staples and brad nails to come out up here, right here. They got a little safety thing right here. And they have to be touching whatever you working on for it actually come out, or this will not, or nothing will come out. This is the on and off button right here, the on and off button. This is how you open it right here. You open it just like this. You push that down. You push that down, and that piece open up just like that. And your staples and brad nails go here. And they have, this one have a window too where you can see how many you had left in there. Okay, you close it just like this. You just push it in. And the cord is pretty long. It's pretty long. See, pretty decent cord. So it is made just like this. Okay, that was the difference between these two. It don't have a lock. The only difference is this one have a safety gear. This one will not shoot out nothing unless it's touching whatever you're trying to staple or put nails in. Other than that, it won't do nothing unless you got to plug that either way. But it still won't do nothing unless you have it pressed against something that you're working on. Okay, thank you.